In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the exposure flash transition right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get right into it. So once you're inside of Adobe Premiere Pro and you have a brand new sequence created, you first want to begin by dropping 2 video clips right onto the timeline. So I'll select those both clips, drag them both onto the timeline, and as you can see, we've got one clip of the London Eye and then another clip of me running into the middle of the road and doing a backflip. So I'm just going to cut the start of that second clip. And now in order to do the exposure flash transition, we need to go into effects and we need to search for levels. Now from here, you want to drag levels onto your first video clip. And we're going to drag the cursor all the way to the very end of the first video clip. Now we'll go into levels, we'll go down to the second setting inside of levels, that is the white input level on the RGB channel. Pull this all the way down to around 90%. We'll create a brand new keyframe by selecting the stopwatch icon. So if you've created that keyframe, you'll notice that this diamond will appear at the very end of the clip. Then we want to go back 3 or 4 keyframes to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull the white input level all the way back up to 255. And now if we scrub through this video clip frame by frame, you'll see the end of this clip gets brighter and brighter. And then we go into our next clip. So now we need to do what we did at the end of video clip 1 and do it at the start of video clip 2. So we're going to drag levels onto video clip 2. We'll make sure we scroll to the very beginning, pull the white input level down to around 100. Create a brand new keyframe by selecting the stopwatch icon, and then we'll go to the right maybe 5, 6, 7 keyframes. Now we'll pull that all the way back up to 255, and if we play this back from the beginning, we go flash at the end of video clip 1 and then flash out of video clip 2. And there you go. Now if you wanted to extend the duration of this transition, all you have to do is select video clip 2. We'll go to the very beginning of video clip 2 and we'll just pull that second keyframe out to the right. So when we play this back, we've got flash in and then a slow flash back out. And there you go. That is the exposure flash transition. It's a super easy but really awesome video editing effect that you can do right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in that comment section below. And if you're subscribed, then I will see you on the next video. See you there.